I'm Batman!
Well, that's a new one.
Quiet, young lady. I've come to save you!
Sammy, I'm all right. What about you? Huh?
I'm Batman!
That's what I'm talking about.
But where are my bat devices?
Do you mean a phone?
Not just a bat phone. Where's everything?
Take it easy, Sammy.
My bat phone is out of charge. What do I do?
Well, we can make a bat charger for it. What do you say?
I'm Batman!
Yes, I already got it. But what about the bat charger? Huh?
Let's go! I'm Batman! I came to save the world!
Ah, no comments. A rescuer indeed. Hi,
A
guys!
superhero high from Batman!
Today we're going to make a funny bat charger for Sam's phone.
So I can answer your emergency calls.
Right. So we need cardboard pieces like these. They will form a head. This is the front wall and the top. And this is the back wall and the bottom.
What's it gonna be?
Isn't it obvious, Sammy? It's gonna be a bat.
The most dangerous and extremely beautiful. It can't be otherwise, am I right?
Yep. Now let's mark the spot for the phone. Measure off 5 centimeters from the bend line and draw a line parallel to it. Then measure 5 centimeters below the bend line and do the same. Now draw 2 parallel lines. One goes here and the other one right here. Good. We'll need this a bit later.
Well, can only would you believe it, my personal bat charger.
Let's draw a mouth for our little bat. Just a couple of lines and it'll be done. This line goes a bit deeper. Alright. Now let's carefully cut it out this way. Guys, be very careful working with the cutter. The mouth is ready. This piece has a funny shape, right?
What about the cable of the bat charger?
We'll make special slots for it. Here. Guys, you can ask an adult to help you with the cutter. Here we go, and the second slot will be right here. Time to bend the parts. All right.
Will it be a charger I can live in?
No, Sammy, this will be our bat's head with a special place to hold the phone.
Huh. Interesting.
Right, the slot for the phone is ready. Now, apply some glue.
I don't get the full picture yet. There's just bends and glue.
Soon you'll get it, Sammy. And I'm sure you'll like it.
So, what are these parts here?
Just in time. Hop, and the parts are in their places.
It doesn't look like a cool bat charger at all, Sue.
Be patient, Sammy, be patient.
Susie, I've got a cool new surfboard. Now I'll never get bored for sure.
I see. What about a shiny white smile for our bat?
It's about time, Susie.
Let's take some paint. Did you know that a bat is a symbol of good luck in China?
Really?
Yes. Actually, the words happiness and bat sound the same in Chinese.
Wow, who'd have thought?
Ooh la la, what a toothy fella. Sammy, check it out.
I bet it's very convenient to eat sweets with these sharp teeth. Where are its ears, nose, and eyes?
We'll take care of them right now. Sammy, how about drawing?
Did someone say drawing? By the way, Sue, call me Bat Slime.
Okay, Bat Slime. Let's draw the eyes and the nose of our bat.
A moment. Draw. Make them beautiful and dangerous.
Yes, Bat Slime. Will big round eyes do?
Sure, very big.
Here are some facts about bats. They communicate with each other using ultrasonic sounds.
And even sing songs together just like us, Sue, right? Sue, I love you.
Hey, bat singer, color the eyes yellow, please.
I'm Sam, that's my
In the meantime, I'll take care of the nose. This reminds me of mountains. Here comes the last line. Perfect.
So I'm done!
Psh, flammable eyes. Let's put them aside and cut the bat's nose out. Be especially careful in the corners. There. Oh, I've got a new task for my Batman.
Batman's at your service!
Color and bring it back, Bat Slime.
I get pretty strange tasks today.
Don't grumble, I'm doing this for you. Once all the pieces are ready, we'll begin to glue.
Here's the nose.
So quick! You're a real superhero.
I'm Batman!
The eyes and the nose are ready. The most interesting part starts now.
Wait! Ultrasound! Ultrasound, she said!
What? Bat Slime, is everything all right?
No ears! You forgot the ears!
Oops, right you are. How will it hear that the phone's charged?
What would you do without Batman?
Wow, thank you, Sammy.
I'm Batman!
Now can I glue?
Ears, eyes, nose, approved!
Now that we got Bat Slime's approval, we can start gluing the ears. Apply some glue this way. The first ear of our bat goes here. And the second one here, of course. Our bat's eyes will win everyone's hearts. And I'll place this here. Oh, these big yellow eyes that can hypnotize with their beauty.
And see in the dark.
Oh, Sammy. Bats see things using echolocation, not their eyes.
What does that mean?
And that means that they can locate objects using sound waves.
Something's missing. We need to make wings! Susie!
Alright, to attach the wings to the head, we'll need 6 skewers. And for the wings, we'll need tissue paper. Batman!
At your service?
Can you make wings for our bat?
No problem. I'm on my way.
Sammy, you forgot the paper.
Oh, all right.
While Sam's making the wings, we're going to add a bright tongue to our bat. Cut it right here this way. Be careful. Watch your fingers. Our bat is quite a perky thing. Let's put it inside. Done! Shall we brighten Sammy?
I'm Batman!
Oh, thank you, Sammy!
Oh, holy moly! It looks terrifying!
Don't worry, Sammy, the wings will make it better. Anyway, we're almost at the finish line. Let's make holes for the wings. Here. Done. Now we need to apply some glue. Spare no glue. We don't want the wings to fall off, right? Let's finally attach our wings. Here comes the final touch.
Whoa! The wings look so real! I can't believe it! This dreadfully beautiful bat is gonna fly soon!
Of course it is, but first we need to provide you with perfectly charged devices.
Right, otherwise how can I save the world?
To transform our bat into a functional bat charger, we need a charging cable like this. Pass the cable through this hole we made, this way. And catch it in another hole down here. Insert the cable into the adapter and plug it in. Great! Everything is ready, now we can start charging our device. We need to wait until the phone is charged. In the meantime, Sammy, where are you?
I'm here.
Voila, here's your bat charger.
Wow! Whoa! Bat Slime is happy. It's awesome!
Yeah, I agree with you. Use it well. Guys, if you liked our craft, give a thumbs up.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you soon!
Bye.